Traders, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a very quick rundown of the market midday. Now we're going over AMC and some other stocks I like as well. Like, subscribe, do what you got to do. Let's get to it.
I got no drip in my pocket.
All right, I'm going to try to do this rundown very quick. Now, personally, I did grab some more call options today, and I grabbed some December 17th. I want to highlight that those are extremely risky. I bought on the dip that you had right here. I think that they have massive value, and I do like the way they are forming right now. I like that you had a dip down towards this monthly, and I don't think you're going to touch the monthly level personally, just based on how quickly it's got bought back up. And if you're looking at these dips, you come down a little bit and you're getting bought back very quick. Also coming out here, just want to take a quick look at the MACD as well on the 1 hour. Reset that. It looks like you're about to start curling up and crossing there as well, following the upward trend. So I do like that you're coming down. I like how this is forming out. GME actually looks very healthy as well, curling back up, which we said yesterday GME did not look good. GME has actually been pretty solid, and since it touched that bottom, it had that double bottom. So AMC I want to highlight right now. I like it short term. For the options that I have, what I'm looking at, I think you're going to get a touch of this 38, 39 region very quick. I think you look very strong. So I like what I'm seeing there. Overall, those look very good. I still hold my March 18th, so I know people are going to ask that in the comments. I still hold those. I like them a lot. What else am I looking at in the market? This morning, I had some Caterpillar. Caterpillar, super depressing, had to cut it. Cut that. We were live on the stream. We ended up cutting that one. What else were we looking at? I think tech is very hot right now, but personally, I ended up buying some Target. I love the way that this is forming, and if you're looking at how Target's moving here based on the chart, go back and look before we called the last time. The last time we looked at Target was back here October 5th, October 8th, that range here. Same exact movement. You had that downward channel going on here. You started mounting that monthly, which right now we're at some more of a weekly, which a monthly will solidify come Wednesday, but it looks like you're mounting that level there and you're going to start pushing up. So what we want to see from Target is the same exact movement, right? This is exactly what we want to see. Get some mounting there, but I want to see a mount of the 251.2 range, getting above that range and holding, and then I think you're going to start pushing towards 260. For those, I'm looking personally at December 17th 260 calls. That's what has my eye, and that's what I like. Something that I think is not getting a lot of love right now is CrowdStrike. I like them a lot, but the concern is they got a bad rating coming in this morning. However, they still have earnings and they still look very hot. This is a pretty big knife grab. So that's a riskier play, but it could have huge payout. And if I'm playing any options here, I'm trying to sell before earnings happen because you want to sell the run up. You do not want to wait for any type of earnings call. Keep an eye on that bad boy as well. All right, so we're going to talk about Lucid really quick as well. Now, Lucid, they look bullish. I've been talking about these guys. They remain very strong. The concern is that EV is in a bubble. However, you have Li Auto performing very good on their earnings. You have Tesla opening up the Gigafactory. So EV is doing great. Get a ride of the sector, in my opinion. I think you're going to have a push towards $60 in a hurry very soon. It's also worth mentioning, we mentioned the calls, we mentioned the options flow here. There are so many options at $55 for December 17th, roughly 70,000 options sitting at $55. I absolutely do not believe that those have covered. I believe this will run to 60, maybe even higher. And if that happens, there are so many more contracts sitting at $60 and $65. But I think at minimum, before December 17th, you're going to run towards $60 here on Lucid, maybe even higher to 65, 70. This thing could get absolutely parabolic. Mark it on your calendars, mark it on your charts. This thing is bullish. In consensus, I'm very bullish on AMC. I did want to include some other stocks I'm looking at in the market right now. If you missed the live stream this morning, every morning we'll be doing a live stream at 8:30 a.m. Central, market open for at least 1 hour. Make sure you're there. The Discord link is down below. The Twitter link is down below. Season's greetings, boys. We'll be back tomorrow. And remember, we run the market.
Don't got enough to go cop it. I'm about to take off like a rocket. Houston, we might have a problem, but that don't mean money will solve them. No, that don't